Tomorrow. We have to put a same deal with me tomorrow. When I fire.
Them for know this, overflow them can overthrow this. For the body set a review, them have to link up for know this. Welcome back to the Black my viewers and my subscriber. I deal with with another one. So do me a quick favor and leave a like on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on bell notification to get notified, and let's get right into it. So by now my viewers and my subscriber, you're all supposed to heard about famous Tik Toker 41BUSHEAD and his passing away. And apparently my viewers and my subscriber, the Tik Toker gone home like few hours before his birthday. Me say about 2 hours before his birthday. But when me hear still my people, when me hear say how a Raymond BUSHEAD them did want that him bigger brother still. Apparently when me hear still, it is because of some gang war in the area, you see me? Like him brother get caught up in some act and retaliation go on, and you don't know the thing go. My people, me all hear all the next story, you see me? But the story them I really want to get into that. My people, me I tell you say it's sad because first Naya and now BUSHEAD. All because the two of them say no. Me been busy from one day still, so as soon as me get the chance for actually do a story upon this still about the G, me deal with it and make gonna get it.
Tomorrow. We have to put a same deal with me tomorrow. When I fire.
I wanna do that, I wanna do it come like you know what man. I wanna do it.
Sit down.
Come like a ramp with my life, dog. I fuck with you.
I want to bust it a while ago. I spray pan when I fire.
I don't know what them put in a fire, bad man.
Diamond, run your one. Diamond, run your one, run off a while ago, don't.
Yo, my big sir.
Oh, hey, yeah. No, sir. No, sir.
Why I feel like I miss my drawers. I feel like I wet my drawers.
Don't like I want Jacob you turn on. Gunshot a rifle man, me I look for that a while ago.
Hey.
I tell you.
So now we man.
Yo, it's all now we try.
Bro, me say a rifle shot me I look for. Me I pray, bro. Man, feel like a joke, bro.
So now we man.
Marvin, pass everybody.
Me don't want nothing to me in a band, big up.
You feel safe?
Bro, Saturday my birthday and move.
You feel safe for that reach out that
Bro, come like you know see.
You
reach, I'll do it, me go through the pass everybody the while ago. Bro, from here thing bad man, me jump up out bro, me jump out the chair.
That's in pass your long time, so shut
Long
up.
time, bro. You know what me?
It pass your long time.
But you know,
Loud nice, me quick.
where they pass him back. Unless I push it, they go push down granny, because granny, they make you way back up. But I reach him, man, I said,
Bro, me not tell you like that, because me have to beat.
Every day, bro.
anybody say they ain't not beat it, they lie them at them.
No.
They shake. What do you mean?
Bro, I look to see one man going right.
See, boy.
I look to see one rifle money in a 4-way, you know. Come here, I say, no, sir, all that knocks so heavy like I want to.
A few moments later.
41BUSHEAD last video before he was killed day before his birthday.
Early, tomorrow, early, my side. Now hear me tomorrow, early, Friday, 6 o'clock. I come push in a ranks, push up in a ranking room. We have 100K for chop down. I want to go and do it tomorrow while I'm top of them, while I'm gift to them. 6 o'clock.
Why? Anybody know hear me ask them what they want for Christmas? Don't ask me what me I get you for Christmas. I mean I get you nothing. If I me not ask you, that means I'm not interested to buy you nothing. I'm not surprised, me go surprised that why me not ask you. Me just not buy you nothing. Don't ask me when me I buy you for Christmas. You're not baby Jesus. Them say Jesus' birthday. So you want gift. Are your birthday?
And my people, just like me and Gaffer, we not expect nothing for our Christmas because we don't have nothing to give. We have ADDIANA. Mama start collect all our Christmas gift them from early. My people, we there we hear Vybz Kartel talk about the 2025 mini way and buy for ADDIANA. Now my viewers and my subscriber, check this out.
Under, stand I love your under, see you tell Rwanda. Make up on everything, done chill. Girl, you're safer than the rich man and the camel and the nigga. But me coulda never love you like my daughter ADDIANA. But me coulda never love you like my daughter. I don't want a lot for Christmas.
You know what she said? What she said? She want shatter, she no want Harry Potter. She want wood fire, cause wood fire hotter. If I late na the night, she no really matter. Early morning, when I eye them full of matter. Water, pussy fat and it a get fatter. When she get the cocky we bust you like copper. What she said? I just want to pull my own. Like she come from Baghdad, Osaka. She said, all I want for Christmas is you.
To close things off, my viewers and my subscriber, we have Vybz Kartel with a message. So more want to listen, more want to tell more on the thinking in the comments.
Top of the afternoon, Gaza Nation. Big up all ghetto youth. Remember the goal is to love God and get rich. Yeah. And can't draw way out, man. When I'm beg for attention when I see them. I'm in my own world. With God, my family, my music, and my money. I'm out.
So if somebody could answer for me this question, if there are other orb sightings across the world, from Kuwait to Egypt to Oregon to California, like in every Florida, if everybody are seeing these orbs and drones across the United States and around the world, how is it relating to a nuclear bomb or a nuclear device in New Jersey? And they're saying that they're finding nuclear, like radiation coming from New Jersey. That doesn't track with me, because then how are they being sighted around the world and across the United States? If that was the case, there must be, radiation being emitted in all of these different places like Egypt, Kuwait. Like, I don't understand. So if somebody could please drop in the comments as to, because this theory in regards to like there being a dirty in, New Jersey, and there is like, it's a possible payload, and that just doesn't track with me. Because, again, there are multiple sightings across multiple states, multiple cities, and multiple countries. So, please, make it make sense.
So, a very special big up to all who made it this far in the video. See, you're highly appreciated. Big up my returning viewers them, big up my new viewers them, big up my new subscriber them, you see me? Don't forget to leave a like on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on bell notification. So, until next time, be win. Out.